welcome to another product update from Promise Money. My name is Steve Walker. What I want to talk to you about today, it's a continuation of a theme actually. So I've got three products to tell you about, and they all have one thing in common. They're secured against the property, but they work as an overdraft rather than a term loan. So that means that they're incredibly flexible. So you can set up a facility and borrow a amount, let's say 100, 200,000, £1 million, whatever it would be, secured on your property, but then you can flex the amount that you use under that facility up and down like an overdraft. So they're brilliant for landlords or property developers or people who are planning weddings or people who need to budget for school fees or any scenario where you might want to change the amount that you have outstanding at any time. Now, of course, you can do this to a degree with bridging finance, where you can take out a loan and then pay it off and pay off the balance quite quickly, but you can't increase it again. So bridging is much better and more flexible than bridging. And if you look at a normal term loan, even if there are no early repayment charges, you take out the loan. If you make a lump sum repayment to reduce the balance down, so you're paying less interest, you can't go back the other way very easily. So this product, like an overdraft, flex up and down and only pay interest on the amount that you're borrowing at the amount outstanding at the time. Now, there are three products I want to tell you about. The first two are really aimed at businesses, property investors, so they're for business purposes or for properties. The third one is secured on your main residence and can be used for any purpose. And the concept of the products are all pretty much the same. It's this flexibility. So let me tell you about, firstly, the business credit facility. So this can be secured on buy-to-let properties, not HMOs, but they've got to be a buy-to-let property or on your main residence. You borrow a chunk of money up to 75% of the value of your property, and that creates a facility, if you like. So if your mortgage is currently 50% of your property value, you can create a facility up to 75% and then flex up and down within that amount. So even though the facility might be £100,000, if you only need £30,000 at day one, you borrow £30,000. If you need to go up to 100,000, you go up and then you come back down again. So again, if you're buying property or you're doing up property or you don't know what the home improvements are going to cost, you've got that flexibility in there to go up and down, up and down, up and down. It's fantastic. And then that product, after the end of 5 years, converts onto onto a cap and repayment loan. So you can pay off the balance over a period of time. Or if you've got the cash, you can pay it off in one go. So that's the business credit facility, and it can be secured by first charge, second charge or third charge on the property, as can all of these. The second product is aimed at property investors, so people who've got lots and lots of properties, lots of buy-to-let properties, and you can secure this loan against multiple properties, as you could with the previous one, but more properties. And this one is different because it works on an interest-only basis, not capital repayment. So it's interest-only basis over a 3-year term. So it's a little bit like a bridging loan, but a lot cheaper to arrange and much more cost-effective to have, because you can flex up and down and only pay interest on the amount outstanding at the time. Now, with these loans, the lender generally doesn't need a valuation, so they're really quite cheap to set up. The application fees are much lower or nil, and there are no early redemption charges. So there's some fantastic features within these products, and I have to say that the inquiries we're getting from brokers wanting these for their clients has gone through the roof, because as soon as they realise and talk to us about how they work, they get really excited about them. Now, I did mention at the beginning there's a consumer product, and I'll try and create a little link somewhere that you can find so you can go and have a look at that. So that's secured on your main residence. So for consumers, it's great. It gives you more flexibility. But if you're a consumer who owns their own business, you can use it for business purposes as well. Works in a very similar way. The rates vary depending on each product and the LTV, so I can't really give you rates, but the consumer product starts at 4.45 and the business credit facility starts at 4.95, and the flexible overdraft starts at, I'll tell you in a moment, hang on, got it here somewhere, 0.66% per month. But remember, importantly, you're only paying interest on the amount outstanding at any time. So you can really save money by reducing the balance down when you don't need it. And unlike lots of facilities like this, there's no non-utilisation fund. Okay, so I could tell you more, could go on for ages about this, but what we will do is try and produce a little bit more information on the website that you can see. But what I suggest is pick up the phone, talk to somebody here at Promise, tell us about what your circumstances are, and we can explain how this product might fit and might work for you, and if it doesn't, what else there might be available that could be better. So I hope that was informative. It wasn't too quick and rushed. It was one take, so that was it. And we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks very much, and do be sure to subscribe to our emails, or if you're a broker and you're watching this, or a property investor, get in touch via our website. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.